So now we're going to put on the front plate. So we're going to move the gantry forward, and you can do that by just moving the belt. And moving the gantry forward helps that bottom plate from popping back out. You can always put some tape across it to keep it held in, but I found that just the gantry helps. So it's kind of like a puzzle piece. You want to make sure everything lines up. So I loop them through the y-axis covers first, and then find the lead screw in the lead screw bearing on one side, and then do the same on the other. And I like to hold that in place and just get a bolt in there to hold the whole thing together so it doesn't pop out on me. So I tighten that down. And then it should kind of hold its place. So you shouldn't really have to worry about the other side. Typically, if it kind of bends forward, you want to get a opposite bolt in the other side so that one side doesn't pop out and the other side stays. So just make sure that they're pressed up firmly, that there's no warping in the front plate. It's a good time to inspect the front plate bearings, that they roll, that the lead screws aren't being pinched forward or pushed outward or inward. You don't want the lead screws being pulled or pushed at all. They should find those bearings pretty easily. They will take some matching up to those bearings, but you shouldn't have to put a ton of pressure on those lead screws to pull them in or out to fit. And then we're just going to back off the screws. I like to tighten them up snug and then back them off so my looseness is the same on all four, just so we can get that up and down wobble, but we don't want front and back motion, as that will mess up our alignment. So just up and down, can't really move front and back, as you can see there, but up and down.